Well, hello everyone. I'm very pleased to be attending this Medical Fair Asia for first time. And unfortunately, I would have been delighted to have the presentation with you guys in real life. Unfortunately, the coronavirus has put limits to traveling and etc. So I have to do this virtual presentation. So the idea here is, so here you have a picture of myself. So I'm the Biowest sales and marketing director, and I'm in charge of sales development, of business development in all areas of the world except the US, where we have a dedicated team operating for US, Canada, and Taiwan. But all the other countries are taken care of by myself and our wide network of distributors. For Singapore, for example, we've got Atlantis Biosciences, that is our appointed master distributor for the Southeast Asia hub. And there we have also a logistical platform in Singapore that allows us to be fast in delivery and have smooth logistics throughout all the Southeast Asian countries. And also this will include China, because I will present you a little bit of why starting a collaboration with Biowest is a good idea in terms of animal serum sourcing and also cell culture media. So who we are is just a simple slide to point out that we are part of a group called BioNordic Biotech. This group has several divisions. It's a Danish group. So it has a division in equipment with a company called MSE, which is Medical Scientific Equipment. And the complete range is a range of centrifuges. They're also active in the collection business in slaughterhouses all over the world to collect animal blood and animal-derived products that serve the life science, many life science applications. We also have a stem cell division, a company called AB Cell Bio, located in Paris, and they do isolation of cord blood stem cells, so hematopoietic progenitors like CD34 plus marker cells and CD133 cells. And Biowest is the manufacturing plant to do sterile filtration of serum and also cell culture media and reagents. That's where we are positioned. So you see the collection countries in blue and the processing facilities with the pink stars. So we are very active, of course. The main production facility is located in France. This is where we filter almost 100,000 liters of animal serum a year. Well, actually a little bit more this year, and 250,000 liters of synthetic media. Here we collect, of course, as we started the operations in France in the Loire Valley more than 30 years ago. We started the company in 1987. And here, of course, we started the collection actively in Europe. And also we got into an association with a company called Serascandia, very active in South America and Latin America. And a little bit later, we also acquired a company now called Biowest LLC and Biowest USA. Biowest USA is the filtration facility, the production facility, and Biowest LLC is the raw trading company that collects material in the US that allows processing in the Florida facility. We've also got a facility in Guatemala, a facility in Uruguay, which the Uruguay facility allows us a direct shipments route to China mainland for animal serum, because the Chinese market is quite tense on this material, because few origins only are permitted in the country. We've also got a processing facility in Brazil, located in Tisiba. And we have also collection in South Africa, and we are expanding collection in the northern countries, just north of South Africa, so Namibia, Botswana, and Africa. And we've got a small operations in New Zealand too. So Just to present you a little bit the facility, a quick overview of how we operate and etc. It's a very short version. You can actually find this video on our YouTube channel. We don't have many videos on the YouTube channel, so it's quite easy to find. This is the very short version. We've also got a longer version of 3 minutes. Here I'm just presenting the short version. Of course, if you want to, we'll be happy to go if you go and see the longer version on our website. So I'll just put it back to the start. Sorry. A quick overview of who we are and what we do, basically. So here you saw two production lines, the production line for animal serum and also the production line for synthetic media. So, you know, as I said a little bit earlier, just feel free to go and see this video on YouTube. Sorry. So the features of benefits of who we are and how you can start a collaboration with us is one, well, we are the European leader in the collection of animal serum, and have in our portfolio the widest range of serum available on the market. Here I'm speaking of various species. Almost any animal that's slaughtered in a slaughterhouse is available for us for collection. So we're speaking here of bovine, of course, because it's it's an animal that's widely slaughtered in slaughterhouses. So we get fetal blood, we got adult bovine serum, newborn calf serum. We can also have rabbit serum. We can also have, and here we have a unique feature because we're very close to the slaughterhouse. So we managed to get the lowest hemoglobin content available, and that's achievable on rabbit serum. But we also have more exotic species like guinea pig serum that's also possible to get in slaughterhouses, because in Peru and Chile they eat slaughterhouse guinea pig. So there you go. Basically, almost any animal that's slaughtered, or even donor animals, we can get serum. Of course, we have competitive prices and a complete range of origins. This allows us to operate in many countries and be able to serve many markets with various origins, because some origins are permitted in some countries and others of the same origin might be forbidden in another country. So this allows us to serve our customers on a global scale. We've got, of course, we always update our standards and testing protocols to be sure that we have the best testing standards and protocols available for our customers. Also, customized testing is available if you need a special 9 CFR, if you need a special EMA testing, if you need a special test conducted because your application is sensitive to a specific parameter. It can be tetracycline, it can be whatever. We have various partners that allow us to do some enhanced testing, and also a lot of cell culture-based assays, like for example the tetracycline test, to make sure that if you are working on a TET-on or TET-off system, we will make sure that the sensitivity that there's no tetracycline in the serum. And there it's not done by an analytical method, it's really done by cell culture to make sure, because the cells are much more sensitive than an analytical method. So that's a little bit of the part where we can really customize our testing with regards to what you do with our serum or our reagents. And we've got a dedicated team for technical support. What's very unique in our business model is that we are totally vertically integrated, meaning that we have from collection, this is for serum part, from collection to bottling, we control the entire value chain, from the collection in the slaughterhouse to the final sterile filtered product in the bottle used in the lab. Which allows us to have an enhanced traceability. We are ISAA, which is the International Serum Industry Association. We've got the traceability standard, and we've got the traceability certification. So that's a little bit about who we are. Here, what's new and what's coming is that we are making a new production line for 2021 for sterile filtration. This will be for further manufacturing purposes. It won't be CGMP immediately. We will upscale in 2022 at CGMP. However, we will be enhancing or increasing our capacity to produce dry powder media, and this will be directly CGMP, so that there you can also target industrial customers with our formulations, our media formulations, from a standard RPMI to a customized formulation. As we say here also, we can do customized formulations to match your application. If you want to have lower concentrations of calcium in the medium, we can do it. If you want to have no phenyl red in a specific RPMI, we can do it. If you want to have no glucose, we can do it. That's really our strength, is to really, we are still a middle-sized company, and this allows us really to be able to focus on what's important for our customers. And we have this ability to make customization where sometimes bigger corporations are a little bit stuck in customizing for small scale. And when I say small scale here, we're speaking of 50 liters of media. We would start a custom formulation for 50 liters, which is quite unique on the market too. So here, I just wanted to highlight in the specific context of the coronavirus, one application that you can find out of our products and how our products can serve a certain application. So here, the context, of course, the coronavirus has been putting a lot of pressure on the hospitals for the needs of viral transport medium to be able to test as much as possible people for if they are positive or not to the virus. So to help in this and to alleviate the pressure, because all the manufacturers at the time were not ready for this such an increase in the viral transport medium needs. So the CDC, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention in the US, has published a standard operating procedure to allow hospitals to manufacture their own viral transport medium, should they lack some test kits. So here, I just want to highlight this. So you can find this document on the Center for Disease Control. It's freely accessible on the website of the CDC. And here I've highlighted for you the reagents needed. So here we've got sterile Hanks-bound solutions. So it's HBSS at one time with calcium and magnesium ions, no phenyl red, 500 ml bottles, or HBSS containing phenyl red as a pH indicator. So this, of course, is a product that we have in our portfolio, both either with or without phenyl red. Sterile heat inactivated fetal bovine serum. Well, this is the heart of our business. So of course, here we can have a fetal bovine serum. As we told you a little bit earlier, many origins available. So here, if you need target markets that have that need USDA material or USDA approved material, then we have access to it. Also, gentamicin sulfate, which is the antibiotic to prevent bacterial contamination, and amphotericin B, which is fungizone, and all those are available at Biowest as liquid or powdered media. Also disinfectant, we've got a BioGuard range that allows disinfection. Here, the CDC was talking about 70% ethanol, but also any other disinfectant with similar properties would be accepted. Get back to the presentation. So here, the fetal bovine serum, heat inactivated. Here we're speaking of South American sourced. We also have the Hans salt solution. This is with calcium with magnesium. So there it's L0612 for the product code, gentamicin sulfate, here in 100 ml concentrated at 50 milligram per ml. And this is L0012, the product code. And we've also got amphotericin B here at 100 time, and the product code is 009. So I thank you very much for your attention here, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in 2021. And the only thing I would say is, please stay safe, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you in real life next time.